Hi friend, let's make a delicious mushroom Swiss burger. First you want to prepare cleaned mushrooms. I used cremini and sliced sweet onions. Next you want to caramelize the onions in a very large skillet using some oil, salt, and pepper. I also like to throw in a good bit of fresh thyme. Once the onions are fully caramelized, it's time to add the mushrooms. Give them all a good stir, let them cook down, and then add some cream. And I used a little bit of mushroom bouillon and a touch of apple cider vinegar. Set all that aside and start making the burger patty. I use ground beef, some more of that mushroom bouillon, Dijon mustard, and fresh thyme. Salt and pepper too, of course. Form that into burgers. I like to use a round mold. The less handling, the better. Makes for a tender burger. And cook them in a large cast iron skillet. Top the burgers with slices of Swiss and some shredded Gruyere cheese. Don't forget to toast your buns. Top the melty burgers with the caramelized onions and mushrooms, and it's time to eat. Get the full recipe at KudosKitchen by Renee.com.